Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites. You need Azure CLI and Kubectl installed, and you must be signed in with As login. Once done, pick or create a resource group in the correct subscription because AKS resources live there. This avoids permission surprises. Next, enable the provider namespaces Microsoft, Container Service and Microsoft, Network, so provisioning can complete without API errors. Make sure your account has the contributor role on the subscription, and verify you can create RBAC objects. Otherwise, the cluster will fail at creation. Now you create the cluster with As Aks Create. Pick the VM size and node count based on load predictions. Right sizing saves cost and reduces scaling pain. Use Network plugin Azure for advanced networking or Kubernetes for simpler setups. Specify an existing VNet if you need IP control. Enable managed identities with Enable MSI to avoid managing service principals. Also enable RBAC and, if required, Azure AD integration so access is secure. Finally, create separate user node pools for workloads to isolate system components. Finish by running As Aks get credentials to merge kubeconfig and then verify connectivity with Kubectl get nodes. This confirms the control plane and node pools are healthy. Once connected, deploy a simple test app to validate networking and ingress. Check pods and logs to ensure startup. If something breaks, inspect pod events, network security groups and route tables, and review AKS service health in the portal. If API errors persist, recheck provider registration and role assignments. Most failures trace back to permissions or VNet misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.